back at the allotment. We're gonna do some deweeding. It's gonna be this spring onion, the onion, and I'm gonna try to do a bit of deweeding here at the cabbage and the salad. As you can see, it doesn't take take long to get things growing. Well, not the important things though. So this is what I'm planning. Okay, so this is the patch how it looks now, and I'm gonna start deweeding it. I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna use my hands, but I'm gonna use also garden hoe. So the time lapse will start now. Okay, so next step is covering up the corn. I've been told to cover up the corn, so basically add more, a bit more soil at the sides. Okay, so what's next is just a couple bits and pieces and watering all the plots.